Good morning, everyone. And this is your Cebuana Abroad. This is the road for today. As you can see, the snow is still coming down. The road is covered with snow. There's ice in the bottom. I saw a car trying to get up the hill but goes down back. All this snows. That's my footprints. I'm the only one here walking around. And it's freezing. I think it's 14 degrees. That's my car. Doesn't look bad, but it's ice. Like, it's ice. This is ice. The car is covered with ice. It's not snow. Like, the top is snow. Look. But this is all ice.